Hello, it's Sulibuli and I'm going to be starting a series of tutorials that are going to be showing you how to create games like some of my most popular projects. Okay, so this is F22. It has over 4,000 views. Let me just play it. And my sound doesn't work for some reason. It's my computer. Okay, so this is the top-down airplane shooter. You move around with the mouse and you click to shoot. And you just have to basically shoot the enemies, and they get harder and harder as you go on. And there's also these asteroids that fall down, debris. Switch Platformer is my second most popular project. It has 600 loves, 500 favorites, and over 11,000 views. So it's not like any other platformer. You have to press space to switch to another character, and then if you're selected that character, you can control him. And you basically avoid lava, and the other player can go in the lava. And you have to get to the end with teamwork. It gets pretty hard as the levels progress. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the first tutorial of the series. Be sure to like and subscribe. We will be posting a video every week.